Are you looking to upgrade to a home with a bigger kitchen, living room, basement so you don't bump into each other? Are you looking to upgrade with a bigger backyard so your kids can actually go out and play and have fun? Hi everyone, my name is John Herman with PropertyUp, and I understand looking for a home, wondering if you're actually going to be able to find a replacement home with such limited inventory is something that you absolutely need to think about. All the paperwork that you have to do and getting everything out of the house and moving into a new one can be stressful. Sometimes you just don't want to have to deal with it. Listen, I get it. I recently sold 2 investment properties as well, and I know it can be one of the most stressful things that you'll ever do in your life. If you're still with me now, so far, I'm guessing that you may be juggling around the idea of actually moving. Maybe your family is growing and your house you have right now just isn't big enough, it's too small, or maybe the home that you're in right now is too big and your wonderful kiddos have all moved out and the halls have a little echo in them right now. You're in luck. I work with a team of professionals that will help you move, and it'll be piece of cake. We'll be able to help you find a replacement home even in this competitive market we are seeing right now. We also will help you get your current home sold at the right price, and you'll end up getting more money in your pocket. Any more questions, give me a call. I'm always here to help. John Herman with PropertyUp. I'm here to serve you, and remember, have a great day.